This Panasonic air conditioner with EcoNavi features 3 key technologies. The first is iAuto-X, which produces powerful instant cooling. Thanks to the new inverter control, delivering high speed and high power, this technology delivers an impressive volume of cold air in a short period of time. At the same time, 2 flaps precisely control the direction of the cold air. Delivering these powerful cooling airflows makes possible a 35% reduction in the time required to reach the set temperature. After the set temperature is reached, the 2 flaps control the airflows. Now they send the cold air toward the ceiling to continuously and evenly cool the entire room. These indirect airflows help prevent the overcooling of people in the room, creating a more comfortable experience. The second key technology is EcoNavi. An EcoNavi air conditioner knows how to be eco-friendly, automatically saving energy. Sensing the level of light in the room, the locations of people, and their level of activity, EcoNavi controls the direction and power of cooling airflows. While reducing electrical consumption, EcoNavi maintains a cool, comfortable environment. The third key technology is NanoEG, which purifies the air. Developed by Panasonic, NanoEG ion particles reach every part of the room. They encapsulate viruses and bacteria, which are then thoroughly captured and deactivated by the air conditioner's filter. This system is also highly effective against the harmful particulate matter known as PM 2.5. Continuing to evolve, Panasonic air conditioners with EcoNavi are the most advanced available today.
Panasonic.